The Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission (ZAC) and the National Prosecuting Authority (NPA) have warned traditional leaders against the illegal parceling out of land. They have made it clear that those found engaging in such unlawful practices will face prosecution. Ashperi mushe muri Zimbabwe tinoona ZAC yothreatena additional leaders achiti musatombopasela zvenyu nzvimbo noda kuti hazvisi pamutemo. Zvamuudza kuti ZAC ndiri kutaura mashoko aya, but tiri kuona kuti pane vanhu vari kuinvolviwa mumamassive corruption but haisi kuvabata. Sanopinda mashoko buda nyogwa muzara nazo kuti subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda muchinji radio munyogwa muchinzi. This warning was delivered at an anti-corruption indaba hosted by Transparency International Zimbabwe partnership with the ZAC, the NPA, the Zimbabwe Republic Police, and other key stakeholders. Despite the continued reporting of corruption cases involving Zanu PF linked business people, the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission has not shown urgency in arresting and prosecuting these corrupt officials. Recently, a damning Auditor General report revealed widespread corruption across nearly all sections of the government. Ashperi mushe muri Zimbabwe ndo patiri kuona kuti ava the ZAC iri vachithreatena avo traditional leaders, but vanhu vari kuona kuti mu the same country momo ndo makabudisa auditor report tichiona kuti government kana parliament tiona masectors ayo ese masections ayo ese tikuona kuti aya vakomana vari corrupt, vari kungodya mari dzematenders nyange dziri dzemota, asi tikuona kuti vakuya vachithreatena maheadman, vakuya vachithreatena traditional leaders. So dzemafungiro enyu pene yakumene section medu, saka no subscribe or like, so turn on the bell icon.